Welcome back. Well, it's no surprise that if it's Thursday, we've got Chef Anthony Fisher in studio, but this morning we decided to mix things up and do a little surprise game for Chef this morning, and I'm just dubbing it our mystery meat challenge is what we're doing. We got together with Simon Markets and selected a special type of meat for you to cook with today, but did not give you any clues.
No, you did not give me any clues. And yeah, when the guys over at Simon Market and you
Did
guys
you go
get
try to
together-
tell them,
No,
try to get some clues from them?
I did not, but when you guys get together, I get nervous.
Yes, and as rightly you should. So all that I did tell you to do is bring whatever your favorite spices are to work with, you know, what you need. Bring an assortment of cooking utensils, because you know what we have here, limited supply. So if you want to use some different types of pots and pans, bring those from home. Not really knowing, because I know obviously you would use different ones for different types of meat. And also we have a combo box, I think, from
Yes.
Martinez Produce as well.
I got a combo box from Martinez Produce. I actually got the keto box this week, which gives me a pretty good assortment of fruits and vegetables. Not knowing what you were going to have, I wanted to make sure I had a nice assortment so I could prepare accordingly.
Because different fruits and vegetables, mixing them with your meats
Yes.
would provide different flavors and garnishes as well. And
Of course.
maybe a good side to go with it. Who knows?
Oh, and I even brought a couple things. I have a few things up my sleeve, so
Oh, really?
yes.
Okay. Well, without further ado, let's go ahead and unveil our mystery meat this morning.
I'm nervous.
You should be.
Oh, a flank steak.
All right, so we've got a beef flank steak to work with this morning.
Interesting.
What are different ways that you could cook a beef flank steak?
Well, personally, on a beef flank steak, I would cut it into small steaks and pound it out flat, dredge it, and then a hot skillet. Like, I didn't bring my cast iron skillet. I didn't think about it, but I would put it in, pound it out flat so to help tenderize it, throw it in a cast iron skillet with some hot oil with a little flour on it, give it a nice little chicken fried steak feel. Or even fajitas work really nice with this. So you can braise this down and to help tenderize it, and you get a nice little roast out of it. There's lots of ideas that we can do with this.
What kind of spices do you have here to work with this morning?
I brought a lot of my own favorite little spices. I brought my Thai chili salt, some chipotle applewood smoke, smoked honey habanero. It's a rub that's wonderful. Some of my smoked onion and jalapeno maple garlic, and I bought some blends that were given to me by a student I have up there in the front that I can grind down to kind of customize.
Okay, so we're gonna give you just under an hour for the finished product. You're gonna come back on in about 50 minutes with a partially finished product and show us what you're working with. Good luck, I guess.
Oh yes, this is going to be interesting.
We will be right back.